In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out part of an image using Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have a clean, non-destructive cutout you can place on any background or composite into other designs. First, make sure your image is open in Affinity Photo and the Layers panel is visible on the right. We're going to use the Selection Brush tool because it's fast and accurate for most subjects. Press W on your keyboard to activate it. You'll see options appear along the top. Set the mode to Add, so every stroke increases your selection. Adjust your brush size before you start. The left and right bracket keys make this quick, or use the size slider in the context toolbar. A medium, soft brush usually works well around edges. Next, trace the part of the image you want to keep. Click and drag along the inside edge of your subject, letting the brush snap to the boundary. Zoom in as needed with your mouse scroll or the plus and minus shortcuts, and hold the spacebar temporarily to pan around. If the selection bleeds into the background, reduce the brush size and back up a little from the edge. To remove unwanted areas, switch the tool to subtract in the toolbar or hold the modifier that toggles subtraction while you paint. Take your time around detailed sections like hair, fingers, or curved objects. Short, controlled strokes help the tool find edges more reliably than long drags, and you can always make multiple passes to refine. When you release the mouse, the marching ants outline your current selection. Keep nudging it until it hugs the subject neatly all the way around. With the selection active, create the cutout using a mask so you don't destroy any pixels. In the Layers panel, click the mask layer icon, the one that looks like a rectangle with a circle inside. Affinity Photo converts your selection into a mask on the current layer, hiding everything outside your selection while keeping the selected part visible. This is fully editable. If anything looks off, you can refine it directly on the mask. To fine-tune edges, click the mask thumbnail to make sure it's selected, then press B for the brush tool. Paint with black to hide stray bits, or with white to reveal missing details. Use a soft brush and adjust the size as you move from broad areas to tight corners. If you accidentally paint the wrong way, swap colors quickly and paint it back. Zoom in, work methodically around the perimeter, and you'll get a clean, professional cutout. That's it. Press W, trace the image, and click the mask icon. Simple, fast, and completely non-destructive.